Yeah.
Okay. I've given all of you to record your session. Okay. Uh, Yesterday we already discussed about Informatica configuration. As part of that, we already created this domain. Okay. So I'll explain briefly about domain. What is domain? Domain is combination of all, like a domain is centralized unit of all application services like repository service and also integration service, and it will run the administration page as well. Okay. Oh, we when we'll create this domain means while installing Informatica in primary node, we'll create this domain and we'll give one name to that domain. What's the domain name we given yesterday for our domain? Dev. You got to know. Yesterday we installed our Informatica, right? We can check that installation. We can check that installation status using this administration console page. If it is not running. See, like if it is not loading that page. Did you observe? Why? Because maybe the services are cut down. We want to start that services first. Okay, how we can start the services? In Windows, we need to go to services tab. I'm discussing about starting and stopping the services in starting the services of Informatica. Okay, please concentrate how to start and stop the Informatica services. Okay, in Windows, I'll explain about Linux later. Okay, in Windows, you have to go to services. If you go to I, here we'll see Informatica services status. As of now, it is not running. Okay, we need to start it. Okay, prior to that, what is the base for Informatica? Database, Oracle. We need to check whether Oracle is running or not. Okay, see Oracle is running fine. Okay, Oracle run agent also we can start, no problem. This is the main service from Oracle. If it is running, no need to Oracle X is running means fine. We can start Informatica manually. Okay, if you go to Informatica, as of now it is in stop mode, so we need to start it. After starting this Informatica, within 5 to 10 minutes, we'll be able to. Within 5 minutes, we'll be able to we'll be able to access this administration console page. Okay, let's wait. Let's finish this one. We'll check whether it started or not. It started. If we refresh that, automatically it will take some time to log in administration console page. Okay, this is how we'll start. Stopping also same. If you want to stop Informatica, same. Click on that. Stop. It will get stopped. Okay, and one more way also there in admin console page. I'll tell you how to stop there. Okay, now starting services in Linux. Please concentrate. Starting and stopping services in Linux. In Linux, we'll be able to see one file in Informatica home directory. We can call C drive Informatica up to this PC Informatica 10.1. We can call as Informatica home directory. Okay, in Informatica home directory, Tomcat bin location, we'll be able to see info services.batch file. Info service this file. Okay,
Yeah,
you want to know the difference, right? If it is Windows, the file type will be Windows batch file. See, Windows batch file. If it is Linux, if it is Linux, if it is Linux, the file type will be sh. Info service.sh will be the extension of this file. Okay, clear? You have to click run through command /infoservice.sh shutdown. This is how you have to start info service.sh startup for starting, and same command shutdown. If you want to, hello, yeah, Rahul. Okay. Okay, right?
Okay.
Okay. For starting, this is the command to start Informatica services. For stopping, this is the command to shut down. This is how you will shut down and start up Informatica services in Linux. Okay. In Windows, simply you will click here to stop. Here you will click to start. That's it. But in Linux, you have to run this command from which path? Info home, tomcat, bin location. There will be infoservice.sh file. Okay. From there, you have to start and stop the Informatica services. After starting services, you have to know whether services are up or not. You can find this in two ways. One is you can check from admin console. If you refresh this administration console page, it will get connect. Okay. Or else there are some commands to check the status of Informatica. Those are ps-eaf, pipeline grep, Java for checking domain process especially. Okay. And ps-eaf, sorry, pipeline grep underscore admin console for checking administration console process, whether it's running or not. Same thing, ps-eif pipeline grep pm rep agent for checking repository service process. Same way, ps-eif pipeline grep pm server for checking integration service process. If you run these four commands, you will get to know the status of our Informatica services. Okay. So if these services are these commands are giving output, means our Informatica is running fine. If it is not giving output, means still there is issue in starting Informatica. So we can troubleshoot after that. I'll tell you how to troubleshoot Informatica services.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Where we need to run all those four commands, Anna?
It's in Linux, not in Windows, please.
Okay, fine.
Linux. This notepad fully contains Linux.
Okay, Anna.
Okay. Still, this page is loading. We'll wait for some time. Okay. So, we cleared about this domain, right? It's an primary point to start up the all application services like repository integration and admin console as well, and it will run all grids and all. Okay. So we cleared about domain. Now, today we are going to discuss about node. What is node? And types of nodes. Okay. First, let me connect to administration console page once, then we'll see. Now it's running fine. Okay, now the services are came up. Okay, here we created one user to log in. Our administration console page. See, in this page, you will get to know what all the services we have and the status of services. Okay, as of now, we have 3 services: scheduler, resource, and email services. These all are not required. Now those services are disabled. And we have node. Okay, now we are going to discuss about that node. Okay, and I said there is one more way we can shut down in Informatica. Okay, if you if you need to select this domain, this is the domain dev. Okay, this symbol indicates domain. Okay, this symbol indicates node. This symbol indicates license. Okay, so here what you have to do, shut down Informatica, you have to select that domain, go to actions, shut down. If you click on this shutdown, automatically our Informatica services will get down. Okay, here we already discussed about domain. This is the center point of our all application services. Now we are going to discuss about node. What is node and what is the how many types of nodes we have and what is the functionality of those nodes. Okay, node is nothing but it's an logical arc structure of a physical machine. Like we can say now this laptop, this PC is one node. Okay, why? Because now it is handling our informatic application. Okay, simply in another way we can say it's an a server which is hosting Informatica application. Hosting means running Informatica application. Okay, so in nodes we have many types. Okay, there are some types of nodes in Informatica. Those are master gateway and gateway node and also gateway node and also worker node. We'll explain why we need this and also what is the functionality of those nodes. Okay, for example, I'm closing this screenshot. Okay, I'll open it later. Okay, Okay, this is the topic we are going to discuss today. Okay, so we have three types of nodes. MG. Did you guys observe MG? MG means master gate. And GW. Node 2 is GW. GW means gateway. And GW again. It means gateway. Here WN, worker node. Okay. Why we need this? We have one node. That's it, right? That's enough, right? Why we need again gateway node and again gateway node, again one worker node? In which scenarios we'll add these worker nodes? How we'll add this gateway nodes and worker nodes? We'll explain. Okay. This is the master gateway node. This is the primary node of our domain. It will run all our domain and also admin console page, and also it will connect to the domain database within the 8 seconds of frequency. Every 8 seconds, it will get connect with the domain database and it will update the some data there. Okay, this is the main functionality of the master gateway. Okay, now just assume because of some issues, because of heavy load, the master gateway node is getting down frequently because of high RAM utilization and also high CPU utilization. It is not able to handle the load. The master gateway is not able to handle the load. For example, take one house and take owner of that house. We have one house and also we have one owner. Due to some heavy work, the owner is not able to do all the activities under inside that house. Okay. Now owner is master gateway. Okay. Now what we'll do to reduce the burden on master gateway, to reduce the burden on owner, we'll add one more person for backup to share his work. Okay. It means it is fully occupied. It is not able to handle domain and all. It is fully utilized. So to get some, to give some free space to that node, we'll add one more node to existing node. Okay. How will add one more node to existing node? You guys remember, while installing Informatica, there is one option called create domain and join domain. Okay, I said it's an important point. Remember, guys, while installing Informatica, there is an option called create domain and join domain. Remember? If you want, I'll show you in another please let me know if you guys are not able to understand. Okay. These are the steps we followed. Remember? While installing Informatica, these are the steps we followed yesterday night. Okay. After providing database information, we'll see after providing database information, we'll be able to see create domain option and also join domain option. Okay. So in which case we'll choose giant domain means we already having Informatica domain called dev in master gateway, but the master gateway is not able to handle the domain because of heavy load. That's why we are planning to add one more backup node for master gateway. Okay, what we'll do, we'll start installing Informatica in this server. Okay, in the step, in this step, instead of create domain, we'll choose giant domain option. At the time, it will ask existing domain information. What is the domain name? What is the port number and all information? We'll give those information and we'll finish it up. Then in administration console page, along with this node 1, we'll be able to see node 2. Okay, clear? Please, guys, please respond. If you are not in understanding, let me know. We'll give you another example. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then we have two nodes now: master gateway and backup. We can call this node as backup node, gateway node, secondary node also. But these gateway node functionalities are different. Okay, it will connect to the domain. It will not connect to the domain database, and it will not run any of applications, any of administration console page and all. Only it is backup for master gateway. For example, we have owner in for house. We took one more person, brother or wife. We took one person, brother or wife, as his backup for sharing work in the house. Okay, now the owner has the functionality to open Warda bundle. Is the complete. He has the functionality of managing all money and all. But backup node, like his wife or brother, will not have that functionality to open Warda and sharing money, everything. Okay, right? When those functionalities his wife or brother will get in the absence of master gateway, if the master gateway goes down at the time, this will become owner of that house. This node will become the main master gateway of this domain. Okay, so this is about first gateway, and one more gateway also there. What is the reason? Same way, even two nodes are also not able to handle the load. Even husband and wife also not able to do the all house works. They both are overburdened. They are not able to concentrate. So in this case, these two servers are also getting overloaded. The RAM and CPU utilization are very high. In that case, we'll add one more node to existing domain. Same way, we'll start installing Informatica in prod node also. We'll choose giant domain instead of create domain option. Okay, in prod node also. Okay, and it will comes under same domain, dev domain. Okay, now in our own thought, this is the owner of building. This is wife of owner. This is the brother of the owner. Okay, now we have three nodes. Okay, now again, why we need worker node? One more scenario. In this case, after sharing this work to these three guys, owner, wife, and brother also not able to finish it up. Like it is heavy load. These three nodes also not able to handle the work. So we are requesting one more person inside the domain, okay, as a worker, not owner. These, in case of in the absence of owner, any one of these two will become owner of that house. But in the absence of this all three, worker will not get ownership access. He will go away. Same scenario here also. In if these three nodes are not available, means automatically worker also will be not available. Just for reducing the burden on these three nodes, we are adding this node as a worker node. These are the gateways. These are all the owners. In owners, there are some privileges, like master gateway has all the privileges. Gateway and another gateway has uh, some uh, some privileges, not all privileges. Worker has very less privileges to do work. Okay. Now we have one scenario. If master gateway goes down, okay, just assume if master gateway goes down, in these two nodes, which one is the gateway? Which one will become the master gateway? Okay, we have wife and we have his brother also. Who will become the owner of this house? Now question mark. In that case, there is one table called ISP master election from OPB tables, this table. See, under info underscore config, we installed our Informatica under info underscore config. This ISP master election table will holds the election between, it will put one competition between these two nodes. Okay. And based upon the capacity of these two nodes, it will elect one of the node as a master gateway based upon capacity. Might be it will calculate RAM, CPU, processor, and as also disk space. It will calculate same thing for this one as well. Sometimes it might be different, right? Might be this has the very good functionality to it has the very good features to get to ownership. Okay, same way it will elect like that. We'll take Bahubali concept. They'll give one concept to them. Who is the winner? If like they will give the one concept to two guys. Winner will be the king of that kingdom. Like that, in this scenario, it will give one competition for this both the nodes, and winner will be the master gateway of this node, this domain, and winner will be the owner of this house. Okay, this is how the functionality will be happen. Okay, we need to observe this domain, this process. The master gateway will update the domain database within 8 seconds. We can call this as heartbeat check, and this all three nodes, worker and gateway and this secondary node, will connect with the master gateway within 15 seconds of frequency. Okay, we can call this functionality as greeting exchange. Okay, greeting exchange we can call. Okay, these are all the different nodes we have in Informatica, and these are all the different nodes we have in different functionalities of this different nodes. Okay, this is the nodes concept. Any doubts, please?
To here, like gateway, two gateways is there, node 2 and node 3.
Okay.
So if they will get fully down, like as
Okay.
master gateway down, So there's
Okay.
all the privileges will get this worker node.
This one, which one?
This last one, worker node.
వర్కర్ రైట్. అదే తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను, సరే ఏమనుకోద్దండి.
పర్లేదు,
ఏంటంటే
పర్లేదు.
ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను మా ఇంటికి ఓనర్, మాస్టర్ గేట్వే. మా వైఫ్ బ్యాకప్ నాకు, మా బ్రదర్ కూడా బ్యాకప్. మేమందరం ఓనర్స్, ఈక్వల్ టు ఓనరే కదా.
అంతే.
మేము
ప్రివిలేజెస్ ఉండవు, కొన్ని ప్రివిలేజెస్ ఉంటాయి,
కానీ లెస్ ప్రివిలేజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. అంటే మనీ షేర్ చేయడం, మనీ విష్ మ్యాటర్స్ అంతా నేను చూసుకుంటాను ఓనర్. మా వైఫ్ కి మా బ్రదర్ కి అంత ప్రివిలేజెస్ ఉండదు. ఓకేనా? సో ఎప్పుడంటే ఈ వర్కర్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తాడంటే, మేము ముగ్గురు కలిసి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నా కూడా మా ఇంట్లో వర్క్ అవుట్ పోవట్లేదు, చాలా హెవీగా ఉంది. సో అప్పుడు మేము బయట వ్యక్తి ఒక వర్కర్ ని హెల్ప్ తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం సినారియో అంటే, మేము ముగ్గురు కూడా ఇంట్లో లేకుండా బయటకు వెళ్ళినాం, పర్సనల్ వర్క్ డౌన్ అయిపోయినాం అనుకోండి. ఆ టైంలో వర్కర్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంటికి ఓనర్ అవుతాడా? అవడు కదా.
సో జస్ట్ బ్యాకప్ అంటారు,
జస్ట్ బ్యాకప్ అంతే. వాడు కూడా వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. ఆ హౌస్ లాక్ అయిపోయి ఉంటది కదా, అప్పుడు వాడు మాత్రం ఏం చేస్తాడు, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. అర్థమైంది కదా కాన్సెప్ట్? మాస్టర్ ఎలక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ కూడా అర్థమైంది కదా. మాస్టర్ ఎలక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటంటే, మాస్టర్ గేట్వే డౌన్ అయింది అనుకో, మాస్టర్ గేట్వే డౌన్ అయినప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ ఈ 2 గేట్వేలు నేను ప్రైమరీ అవ్వాలి, నేను మాస్టర్ గేట్వే అవ్వాలి, నేను మాస్టర్ గేట్వే అవ్వాలని గొడవ పెట్టుకుంటాయి. ఓకేనా? అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుందంటే, ఆ గొడవ జరగకుండా ఇక్కడ ఈ ఐఎస్పి మాస్టర్ ఎలక్షన్ టేబుల్ ఒక ఎలక్షన్ పెడుతుంది ఆ రెండింటికి. ఓకేనా? ఆ రెండిట్లో అయితే ఏది గెలుస్తుందో దాన్ని మాస్టర్ గేట్వే చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా?
less than 1 minute చూపిస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ కనెక్ట్ అవుదామా?
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.